Hello everyone. Happy Diwali to everyone here. So I should say Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to everyone. Okay. You can also join the Slack channel. Not Slack channel, actually Discord channel. Yeah, happy Diwali to you, Rev King. Okay, so we are going to create this ball fall game today, and we have to create this. And happy Diwali. So yeah, Tamil Rasan, happy Diwali to you. Happy Diwali, everyone, once again. So, how was your day? It's just started, I think. So, what you are trying to do this Diwali, or uh, do you believe in uh, like crackers and doing all sorts of different things? What's your opinion? Let me just copy this Discord server link, and then I should share with you here. Okay, so here we are, and now I say join. Why I am writing this Slack again and again. Okay, so here we are, and this is the one, and let's join this one. Okay, so now we are here. So how was your Diwali? It's actually you are going to celebrate in the evening, but how's going on till now? Uh, what you have done, what you have purchased? I would spend more time doing coding than spending time with crackers. Pranay, this is the best thing you can do, obviously, because crackers, in my opinion, is not good for anything apart from just giving you flashes of light. Please plan complete tutorial on tools like WebStorm, Adobe XD, Figma, Sketch, like you made on VS Code. Oh, that's good, Rev King. But I'm not a designer totally, so I have to learn these Adobe XD, Figma, and Sketch. I know Figma, I have used Figma a little bit, but obviously to create a tutorial you need to have a full depth knowledge, and I have to grab these tools first. But yes, WebStorm is good for everything, and we can start with that. Any other recommendation from any other person? It will be good if we can have some suggestions from your side, like what you want from our channel, so that I can totally focus on that thing. And yes, the Flutter course is progressing little by little, and very soon, within 3-4 days, I'm going to have a landing page of in-depth Flutter. So it's going to be the indepthflutter.com, and there you are going to just subscribe to the newsletter for the pre-launch, which is going to be have a 50% discount. Okay, so let's start this ball fall game, and this is going to the game like you have a ball, it's falling, and then you have these platforms. You can use your not mouse, use your keyboard to uh, drop the ball from these holes, and then when you reach at the top, it if you hit the top floor, it's going to say game over. So Ashish just joined, and welcome Ashish, happy Diwali to you also. Greatest festival. And Pranay says complete SPA with front end and back end in the React with level 8 of the backend API. Yes, this is in huge demand. Everyone is asking for this one. For React, I got your point. Okay, we'll think about that. Yeah, I got your point. Like it's a backend. Okay, so we are here today for making this game. Let's start by creating a file, and let's zoom it for you. Oh, I think okay, so Rev King has joined the Discord. I just got the notification. Thank you, Rev King, for joining the Discord. Okay, so first let's create a ball fall.js, not js.html, and I'm going to copy some of the things from, let's say, from the snake. And you know, I have installed that Big Sur, and I totally don't like it because it's super slow for me, and it's having a weird issue with my VS Code, and I'm going to show that issue with you. Let's just wait for this till here, and now it's a ball fall game, and copy the path, open it, paste it. Okay, so now see, we have a very nice little canvas, and this canvas is coming because of this canvas with ID, height 300, width 300, and a border. Now inside this script, we are having this canvas getting element by ID. We have given the ID here in the canvas, and creating the context of 2D. This is how we have created this. And since after installing Big Sur on my Mac, you can see if I open my terminal, and you can see it's super slow. And now if I type anything, it's all become black, and I'm searching how I can change the font style or anything. It's totally black and white. I don't know what happened with this VS Code. It's totally mess, and I don't know what happened with this. So I don't know, this is this the issue of VS Code, or the issue of Big Sur, or the issue of the theme which I have installed. This one super bad. Super bad, new word. Okay, so Pranav say I would happy to this course, and I follow your video and help me out. Thank you, Pranav, thank you for this. And I'm going to release the Flutter course in the new year, so maybe on the 1st of January we will have the Flutter course. I'm going to start from today or maybe from tomorrow. Okay, so first let's start. We need the platforms just like these. So first, platform is just a rectangle starting from the left and till the right. Can't we use VS Code live server rather than doing hard refresh? VS Code live server rather than doing hard refresh. Oh, live server. I think yes, there is a extension, I believe, for VS Code live server. Live server. Okay, so I think this is this. Which one is this live server? Can you share the extension name, Ashish? Till then, I need to install draw the platform. So I said draw platform and start coding. Welcome, start coding. Happy Diwali to you. So let's create a function called draw platform live server extension. There are lots of live server extension. See, lots of two actually, not lots of. Live server previews there, live server HTML live server. Which one I should install? Open the right one, which is the right by Ritwik. Okay, Ritwik Day. This one. Okay, let's install it. Thank you for your suggestion. I learned a new thing today. Very nice. Rahma. Happy Diwali to you, Ramya. Not Ramya, it's Rahma. Okay, so we have this, and how we can start this? Is it automatically get started? Fallback to fixes. Okay, show some details. Okay, first one, the most popular one. Okay, got it. So how do I start the server? Oh, go live. Oh, really? I can go live, but is there any? So go live now. What I have to do? Is there anything I should have to open my? Oh, I have to open this activity bar. Not activity bar, status bar actually. Status bar, and yeah, we are here. Go live, and live is here. Okay, let's make it bigger, and maybe if I do something like this, how about having inner right side? Okay, so I think this is good. In this way you can see both of these things, and let's see if it is updating live or not. So game and a bank sign, save it. Whoa, thank you Ashish, and start coding, and yeah, both of you. So technical KD is here. So happy Diwali, technical KD, and I'm glad you are here. So this Diwali I thought let's create one more game, as I'm doing every day. So as I told you, we need the platform. Platform is a black color rectangle, simple. So context dot begin path, then context dot close path, simple. Then context dot create a rectangle, not react, rectangle, and starting from 10 go till 10. We need the full width of the canvas, so canvas dot full width, and height will be 10 pixel only. Okay, so this is good, and this is done, but it's not refreshed. So maybe manually refresh. No, it's not working. Oh, I got the point. I need to say context dot fill style, and it's going to be black color, and the context dot finally fill it. Save it, and waiting for update. It's not updating. Refresh. What happened? Okay, people are messaging. Start coding, sir. Now click on the top right. Go live right now. Just go to the HTML template. Welcome. Okay, start coding, Lalit. How I know your name? But now I know your name. You are Lalit. So thank you, Lalit, for introducing you, and welcome to this live. Happy Diwali once again. So happy Diwali to Lalit. I just wished start coding. Now I am wishing you personally. Okay, so this is here why we don't have any rectangle. Why we don't have? Let's see. Begin path is there. Is there any error on the console? I don't think. No, there is no color, no error. Begin path platform is there. What if I create an ball? So start from 10, 10, have a radius of 10, start with the 2 pi math dot pi, and still it's not showing inside this canvas. What happened? Okay, can anyone suggest me what I am doing wrong? Is there close path, begin path? I can check on the snake game. Yeah, it's correct. Begin path, close path. Right. Exactly. Begin, close, creating. So let's have some, let's say 23 pixel wide rectangle. It's not there. What if I say red color filling? That's not there. Oh, something is totally wrong. What if I say something manually? No. Hello sir, can you please make a React Native tutorial? MPA Entertainment. I would suggest go with the Flutter instead of React Native. React Native become old, and so go with the latest thing, which is Flutter. And can anybody tell me what is the problem here? Draw, platform, canvas, context 2D is there. I say 20 height. Okay, let's search for canvas. Oh, not this one, not this one. Canvas W3 school. Is there anything? It's having the image. Canvas, and only this HTML canvas. Here I will find the code. Okay, let's try to create a line, a simple line. Let's paste it, save. Oh, it's creating. Strange. And what if I move these things into the begin and close path? Oh, what happened? Like here. Still we have it. Amazing. So I'm doing something wrong with this rectangle. So here we can see we have this rectangle. Okay, so fill rectangle. Let's have this thing. Okay. Okay, I first need to have a rectangle. Create gradient. These kind of things are there. Sometimes weird things happened. Rectangle. So search for rect. Line is working. Why rectangle is not working? Okay, so line is there. What if I convert the line to rectangle? So rectangle, and I need 20 and 10, and width is 10 and height is also 10. Comment the move. I got the rectangle. Context dot fill style black, then context dot fill. Oh, it's not filling. I got the point. It's not filling the color. This is the issue. Okay. So here we can use a fill rectangle. No, but filling rectangle, then we need to give the rectangle. I want everything on. I am in a new in canvas, sir. Can you explain a bit little while coding? Okay, so Ashish, canvas is a simple HTML tag or element. The best part of canvas is you can draw something on that. So first we get that element by ID. So we have a canvas. Then we say I want to create 2D, so I want to have a 2D context of that canvas. Once I get the context, I have created a function called draw platform, and we are doing these things. First we are starting a path, closing a path, then, and in between I'm doing these things, and these having some issue because of the canvas I am using. So let's search for canvas MDN. MDN is the Mozilla website or documentation for HTML JavaScript thing. Still here I can search canvas fill style after creating the rectangle. No, it's not that thing. I have used it, but you are right. You are right, Ashish. How this happened? Let's check the snake. Oh, I didn't notice that thing. So I got it now. And you were saying you are new to canvas, you know pretty well. Okay, thank you Ashish once again. So let's have a canvas dot width. I really didn't notice these things. I'm doing this for so long, and this is the benefit of live coding. I got to know today. I learned two things. One is going live, a simple HTML, and then you should have a filling part after creating the figure. Please, no Indian accent, nobody understand. Miko, sorry about this. I cannot do anything. I'm an Indian, so I speak in an Indian accent. And I believe people are understanding my accent. That's why they are here. Okay, so since we have this platform is there, so I can have the platform details. So let's create the platform. So let's create platform, and platform details are like we need X should be 0, then Y should be 10 for now, and then I'm going to create another platform width, and instead of writing full platform I say PLW, so platform width, or PF, platform. PF is a platform. So platform width is canvas dot width, and then let platform height is equal to 10. Okay, so here now inside this I can define like, also I can say this is a PF, platform is PF. So PF dot X, then comes PF dot Y, then comes PF dot width, not dot width, it's just a width, and then PF H height. Okay, sir, Postgres next. Tanzim. Okay, I will try. Actually, I'm learning the Postgres. As I told you on the video on Twitter, I'm getting the knowledge of Postgres. Once I get that, I will create a video. Will you do any Python games? If you can suggest me something, then I can take a look on that, and obviously I will try that, because I'm enjoying creating the games using this JavaScript. So I believe if I can do something with the Python, creating the game with the Python, that will be also good. So any recommendation from your side? Okay, so finally we have one platform, but we don't want just one platform. We want various platforms, just like we have here. And let's have a little reduction in the width. So what about 8? What about 5? Okay, so 5 is good. So we have this 5 here. And now what I want, as I told you, I want multiple platforms. So we have a PF. So we can create this, not an object, but an array of objects. So we have first, and we have another platform. This platform should be below the previous platform. So I can say like I want this to be at 20 pixel on the y-axis. Everything should be same. But now here we need to give as I want the first platform detail. And if I save it, yes, I have first one. If I change it to 1, I get second. So see, it's 0 here, first, a little bit below. Maybe I can give a 40 pixel. Okay, but I don't want only one, I want both of them. Okay, so let's see how we can create both of these. Okay, next we have Miko says, I'll teach you American accent. It's not called paint, it's called paint. Oh, got it. Yes, I would love to learn American accent. If you can help me on that, it will be good. Now Tandan says, do you think PostgreSQL is good with Laravel? It's not about having good or bad. It's like what's your need. When you need something like Postgres, then only use. When you need no relational database, no SQL database, then you use any other like Mongo or Neo, anything. So it's like first you need to know what's your need. No combination is good. Like if you say Vue and Laravel is the best combination, I would say no. Then what is the best? It depends upon your project, your need. So that's why we have a different tool. If something is very good, then we shouldn't have any other thing. So that's how things are there. Don't matter what database you use. Exactly, Miko, you are right. Tanzim, it's okay. He can explain me. I'm happy for this. We can actually have a session of Miko for IELTS. Okay, so I want both of the platforms. So instead of having this as a drop platform, I say drop platforms. Why? Because now I'm going to use the loop. Or I can simply say pf dot for each, and I get actually I need to change it to pfs, so platforms, or I call it platforms. I'm giving a proper name, then platforms, and each platform is a pf, and then I'm going to put all of these things inside it, and now I can totally remove these two. Now you can see now we have two platform here. So this is amazing, but we don't just need two platform, we need various platforms. So how this is going to work, and see some of the message are here. Okay, please don't say any different thing. Tanzim, it's okay, it's fine. Miko is just having his own view. American English is easy. For example, word cat is pronounced as cat, not cat. So what about Miko? So I'm saying that it's not cat, it's cat. Am I right or wrong? Oh, Hemant is there. Hello Hemant, happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to you, to your family, everyone around you. And what's your plan about this Diwali? What you are going to do? Okay, so since we have this platform, what I want to generate more platform every, let's say, 200 millisecond, or every 300 millisecond. So this means we need a interval every 200 millisecond. I'm going to generate a new platform and add the new platform into the array of platforms we have, this big array we have, and I want to add that platform into this array. So we need to say add new platforms. So this is going to be easy. How? Because let's create new platforms, set interval, and every 200 second I am going to add one more. So I say platforms dot push, and pushing this one. Okay, so instead of 40 I say 60. So if I save it, and it's not adding. Okay, I got the point. Every time we are adding new platform, we need to draw the platforms once again. Okay, now you can see after 20 millisecond, 200 millisecond actually, we are adding a new platform. So people are discussing something. Let's join. Nothing special, going to eat lots of sweets. I'm a food lover. Okay, so Diwali means obviously the sweets and the food, special things. Tanzim, thank you very much, and thank you for your wishes, but I'm waiting for tomorrow. Yeah, thank you Hemant for your Diwali wishes. Giveaway tomorrow. Tanzim is looking for the giveaway. Okay, Tanzim, so why don't you recommend what should I give away on this Diwali? What's your thought on this? What will be the giveaway prize? Thanks for your wishes. How you know tomorrow is my birthday? Ah, Hemant, tomorrow is your birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday. So this is going to be interesting. Okay. So as you can see, every 200 millisecond, we are actually adding a new platform to the same y-axis. Instead, what I want to add new platform after, you can say, below other platform. So instead of doing this, first I want to actually move the two platforms we have created. So I'm going to comment the add new platform. So now we are back with the two platform. Then I want these platform to move from bottom to up. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, I'm going to say the first platform is going to be the canvas width or height. Actually, let's create two variables. So let's say canvas w is equal to canvas dot width, and let canvas height is equal to canvas dot height. Oh, not hidden, height. And here I can say canvas height minus let's say 50, and then this should be the canvas height minus 10. If I do this, these two will go at the bottom. Okay, now I want to move them to up. What I need to do, I need to reduce the y-axis of every platform and recreate them. So we can create a function called move platforms, or you can call it animate platforms also. And let's create a function called move platform, and inside that I say platforms dot for each I get new platform pf, and then I would say pf dot y is plus equal to, that means I am incrementing by some dx value or dy value actually. So dy, the increment is going to be the 1 pixel only, so every 200 milliseconds. So we need the interval here. So set interval, come here for 200 millisecond. I'm moving the platform 1 pixel above. Is it going to work? Which is not seems to working. It's not like working. Bitfilms t-shirt or mug or maybe free course. That's good, Tanzim. I would think about that. T-shirt, mug will be nice thing. Free course is okay. I can give that, but I feel like if I'm giving something valuable or usable thing, because yeah, I can give my free course. Obviously, in-depth level, I can provide to anyone. Arun Kumar is there. Arun, happy Diwali to you. How things are going today? What's your plan today for Diwali? Okay, so my platform is not moving, and maybe I can have a map here instead of that. Oh, I got the point. I am changing this for each, but after that I need to say create a draw platform. All the platform after changing the value, I need to draw. So it's going downward. Let's have so that now it's moving upward. So platforms are moving upward, but then we need to clear before everything. So context dot clear rectangle starting from 0 0, go till canvas width and canvas height, like here. Now you can see they are moving. It's very slow because I can change it to 20 milliseconds instead of 200, and now very smooth. You can see we have this and this. So I should have 4 of this height. How about this? Okay, so we have this, and actually we have oh, got it. It's not having any zoom, and here we have the zoom. So I can change the canvas width and height from 300 to 600. Let's see. Okay, and now I can change the height to 8. Oh, it's now clear. Yep. And let's see, let's say Arjun is saying I watch your 3-hour Deno.js I think video and Adonis.js video. It's amazing. So tomorrow will be a Sunday live. Yes, obviously it's a Sunday, so we'll have the Sunday live. So Adonis.js is not popular. Why? Please reply. Around Adonis is not popular because people don't want to adapt a new thing. See, but I'm trying to make Adonis popular. That's why I'm creating a very nice, you can say full, not a full, but a very nice project I'm doing with Adonis. I have already recorded 7-8 videos, and maybe after on the Tuesday or Wednesday I'm going to release that, and it's going to be amazing. I want Adonis to become popular because it has the potential, and there is a soft corner because it's created by Indian person, Harminder Virk, and he's an amazing person. He has put a lot of effort on this, and when I talked to him, he told me that there is no framework in Node community which is providing this kind of ease for the developers. So I'm pretty sure it's going to crack every barrier with the 5 release, like with the Adonis 5 released. Okay. Arun, it's new and V5 not fully released. Yes, when V5 will release, that means version 5, I'm damn sure it's going to kill the Node community. One more time, so since we have the movement of our platforms, now it's time to add new platform. So see, if I try to add new platform, it's going to add new platform again and again like this. So this is a issue. So what we can do actually, we have to add the platform below the last platform. So see, we have a two platform and we can grab the last platform's y-axis and then add the margin of the platform to them and then create a new one. So little things are there, and I'm going to remove this set interval because we already have an interval, and after drawing the platform I can add new platform. So now here I can say const last platform. So last platform will be like platforms, and then platforms dot length minus 1. So this is the way I can get the last platform. Then I can say last platform dot y plus 30 pixel, and then I don't want to draw new because I'm already drawing, and then I can say add new platform inside the move platform. So whenever I'm moving the platform, I'm adding a new platform, and you can see now it's having amazingly creating a new platform with a 30 you can say this is the 30 pixel difference. We can have a 40 pixel if you want. It will be equally spaced, and if you want to generate like between 30, sometime it should be 30, sometime 40, 50, then also you can randomize it. It would be okay, fine also. So I can have a const height is equal to math dot floor, then math dot random, and it's going to create the random number, but I want a random number between 30 and 40. So I need to search JavaScript random between 10 and 1020. Just search for 1020 and we will apply that for 3040. Technical Abhishek, hello technical Abhishek. Hello Abhishek, actually not technical. So Abhishek, first of all, happy Diwali to you, and happy Diwali to you, your family. Now your question is using set interval, why not use request? It's, yeah, you can, we can obviously use, and on the last on the last game, the what's that, ping pong game, we have actually used the request animation frame. Yes, you are absolutely right, we can use that. So I'm just having this like using set interval so that everyone can easily understand, but let me just convert this to request animation frame so that you can also see it, or people can also see that we can also use request animation frame. Request animation frame, and passing the same function where we are applying it. Okay, so yes, we are having this amazingly good. Okay, so I was searching for number between so it says number between 1 and 6. If you want to, so multiply that number with a 6 and add 1. Really? Okay, so math dot, so they are saying that random number between min and max, so multiply with max minus min and then add the min. So if you want to generate between 5 to 20, then you need to say 20 minus so 16, where did 16 came from, and then I'm so multiply with the min. If I have to give this between 0 and 10, okay, no worries. So we can have this height wherever we are creating it, yeah, here. Then we can multiply with the minimum is 30, sorry, first is maximum. So maximum, let's say 60 pixel, then minimum it should be 30 pixel, and once we have the solution of this, then I want to add the min, and min is 30. So it should create the number between 30 and 60. So let's have a height here. Open the console. And who is joined? Akshil Patel. Akshil, thank you, Akshil. How long will PHP used in future? It has nice future. Don't worry about this. PHP 8 is coming, and with the new cool features. So there is a huge, you can say, demand, and obviously you know that lots of almost 50% websites in the world are running with the PHP. It's very nice if you want to start, and if you want to go long with the PHP, you need to get inside of the language, like that. That means you need to dig into the language, so that will be good. So since we have the random height generated by a random number we have created, instead of this 40, which is going to be the exact difference always, I'm going to say I want to have a height here, which is going to generate the platform with a random interval. So you can see now we are having a random interval between the platforms. So I can see there's not huge difference. So I can say like I want between 60, let's say 50 and 100, and then I can have a 50 here. Okay, so now it's going to create oh, where's that? Oh, I given 1,000 here. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Now it's creating the number between 50 and 100, and it looks like a good thing. Now since we have this platforms, next we want the hole from where the ball will move to the next platform. Okay, so it should be random once again. So for every platform we need to create the hole. So here we are creating the platform. So drop platforms is there, where we are looping through each platform and then designing or drawing on the context. So what we need, what about the hole? Every platform should know its whole information. So what if I say I want to create a hole which is something like the rectangle? Okay, so close path, start path is there, and then I can say create a rectangle. It's going to have the same height, but the x-axis should be different. So x-axis I'm going to give 134, and it should be anything, and height is exactly going to be the same, or I can say the y position is exactly going to be the same, and then height is same, platform width is same, then platform height is same. Okay, so let's see this thing. It's not having it, maybe. Okay, so it should be having the width of, let's say, 10 pixel only, and I'm going to fill it with white color. White. Okay, there it's not creating. One more time. I have to research. Why platform Y is there? Okay, what if I'm not giving this thing, and then I should have only one platform, which is this one, and then I say black color. Oh, it's very small. If I say 50, okay, that's good. Then I can create the normal platforms. Now for the whole I should have a white color. Oh, I got the point. First, in the canvas, whatever the sequence matters. So first you need to create your platform, and then you need to create your whole information, like here. It's overwhelming, Ashish says. Okay, sir, can you make a freelance platform tutorial like Upwork or anymore? We are having a community framework, community project, but I don't think it's moving that fast, because everyone is busy. Like I'm busy here, Ayush is busy in some other work. Maybe that's why. Okay, so since we have the platform and we have the whole, but this whole is actually, you can say, at a single place. I want it to be random. Okay, so one more time we need to create the random number. So math dot floor, then math dot random, and I can say const whole x position. It's going to be any random number, but it should not cross from the, you can say, from width of the canvas. So multiply with canvas width. So let's have the whole x-axis. So whole x come here. Now what about this? Reload. Oh my god, every time it's creating a new whole x-axis. So that's why with every movement, or every time we are having this animation, every time we are creating a new position of the whole, and this is not good. So what we need to first extract this. So I copy it and then undo everything. Now, as I told you, these platforms should know about their whole information. Okay, so every platform, when we are creating the platform, then we should fix the position of the whole, but that should be random. So how we can do that? First, I want to create a random position. So random whole x, which is going to be this thing which we already have created, or I can call this only whole x. Okay, then I should say, like here, whole x is going to be the whole x. And try this. What Amitav says on the Discord channel for happy Diwali to everyone, and that's nice. I'm going to reply him very soon. Okay, one more time, we are having this whole. Okay, so I need to give this when we are creating the platforms, we are creating the platform full, but after that we are creating the white rectangle. That means we call it whole. Then I can say platform dot whole x. Reload. And now still we are having this two whole information. This means when we create the new platform, then also we need the whole information. So here we are pushing the new platform information. Y is this, x is this, and whole x position comes like this. So every time, for every platform, we are having a new whole information, but still it's not random. So to create a random thing, it's actually randomly created, but it's fixed for every platform. So instead of having a constant, I want to have a function that will generate the whole. So I say function whole x is going to return these things. Okay, by returning what we have achieved, like here I say whole x is going to be whole x, but calling that function. Okay, got the point. Now you should see we will have every time whenever we are calling this function, it's creating a new random number, and that's how we are getting two random for first two platform. And whenever we create new platform or add new platform, we also need to say the same thing. Whole x is going to be the whole x and call that function. Now should we have nice, now we have a random whole for each and every platform we are having, and it's looking very nice. That's how we move the platform into the up direction. Final, what we need the ball. So I'm going to stop the animation because I want to focus on creating the ball or draw ball. This is the function I am going to create. So create a function draw ball, and I can copy draw part from the platform, and then I can say draw, this time draw arc, and ball start from, let's have a ball information. Let ball is having a x-axis of 10, y-axis of 20, and a radius of 10. Okay, so here I can say ball dot x, then ball dot y, then ball dot radius, and then finally we need 0, the circle, or you can say the 2 pi r. So 2, then math dot pi, not power, pi, pi. Okay, so now you can see we have the ball. Amazing. And we can say, if I give 10 or 100, yep, we have the ball. So let's make the ball as a teal color. Yep, we have the ball as a teal color. Let's have a radius of 20 so that it will be bigger. It's too big actually. Let's have it 15 only. Okay, so we have this, and now what I can do, I want to drop the ball from the top. Okay, so once we have created the ball, we need to drop the ball. How we can drop the ball? So we have the animation, that means move platform we already have, and whenever we are moving the platform, yes, we are creating the platforms again. We also need to say draw ball like here. But then you see here, if I go on the real game, we have first the ball is going to drop from the top to bottom. Okay, so let's have a game over here so that it just stop. Okay, that's game over. It's not going to stop. So we need to drop the ball. How we can drop the ball? Dropping ball means increasing the y-axis of the ball every time we are dropping the ball. So I say drop ball. Okay, now I'm going to create the function after this. So I say function drop ball, and it's very easy. Ball dot y is going to be increased with ball dy. Ball dot dy. So let's create the ball dot dy. So we have a ball object already. Here is inside it, I say dy is going to be 4 because it's going to drop it very fast. Now try this, reload. Yes, ball is dropping. Cool. So ball is dropping from the top to the bottom. Yes, like this. Amazing. Now, since we are having a drop of the ball, we want the ball to be stuck at the platform. Okay, and for that, we can actually check if the ball touches the first platform, then we don't want to increment the y value of the ball. Instead, we want to have the y value exactly similar to the first platform. So I say if actually I can rename the function, and instead of drop ball I say drop and hold the ball, because it's holding also. If ball dot y is greater than the first platform, so I say platforms getting the first one and its y value. If this is the case, and if it is greater, then I'm not doing anything, else I'm going to increase the value. So for now I'm not doing anything when the ball touches the platform. And now you can see, as soon as the ball touches the first platform, it's stuck at that point. Yeah, here. But instead of that, I want to move the ball along with the platform. So here I need to say ball dot y is exactly equal to the platform's y, platform first y position. Okay, so now you will see the magic, and ball is moving with the platform. Now let's have some radius constraint also. We actually want to tackle the radius also, so it should be like ball dot radius. We need to touch the ball dot radius, or actually we can have a ball dot radius here. Okay, oh sorry, this is going to be on the right side. One more, so I think I need to subtract it. Oh, this is really flipping, so we need to actually compare also by subtracting the ball y position. I'm exactly touching the ground. Amazing, this is really amazing. So if I now see this thing, it's dropping, but then what? Then we need to navigate the ball with our keyboard. Okay, so let's have that, and I would create a function at the top, and I say navigate ball, and I want to navigate the ball with my keyboard. So that thing I do at the last, because it's once we have done that, we will never going to do. So document dot add event listener. You can also say canvas dot add event listener, it's okay. And now I say key down, no, not key down, key down, yeah, exactly, key down. And whenever I press whenever I say key down from my keyboard, I need to check which key I have pressed. So inside this I have to say, if I go at the top here, I need to say if e dot key is equal to arrow right. Actually, if this is the case, I say right pressed, but if it is left thing, if I press left, then I need to say left pressed. Similar to this, we also need to have a key up, so that we know that the user has released the key. So now I say key up, and I should say This is going to be the false, and this is going to be the true, and oops, not true, here also false. And here on the key down I have to say true, true. That means we need these two variables. So left not double T, only one T. Okay, so go at the top. Here we are. Create let left pressed right pressed is equal to initially both are false. Okay, so now whenever we are pressing, we are tracking these on these variables, left pressed, right pressed variables. We just need to move the ball whenever we are pressing. So we have a function called drop and hold, but then what we need to do, no, not, we don't have to do things. We just want to do one thing, which is like changing the y-axis of the ball. So directly here I can say ball.x is going to increment with, let's say 5 pixel whenever I press right key. And let's try this. If I press right key, yes, you can see it's moving. This is good. And this means I can also say ball.x plus or minus equal to, I want to reduce it by 5. One more try. And yeah, you can see we are moving it. Let's have a 10 pixel movement. Okay, so yes, it is moving like here, and you can see we are having the same situation here. It's moving smoothly. Here it's very smooth movement. Here we don't have a smooth movement. So what I have done wrong here? I can check on my GitHub. So GitHub. Let's open 16 JavaScript games, and we have the code. Where is the code? Where's the code? Oh, view code is there. Then we have a JS JavaScript, and then oops, not that thing. We have a games. Inside game we have a ball fall, and here I have navigate ball. Okay, so I'm saying left, right, true. This is the thing I have used previously also. Okay, nice. I got the point. I have to use this left and right pressed, so I can undo, and I can check like here. Whenever we are drawing the ball, where we are drawing the ball, here we are, and you can check here like if right is right pressed, if it is true, then ball.x is going to be incremented with 5 pixel or maybe 10 pixel. If left one is pressed, then we reduce by 10. Now try this. Save it. Oh yes, it is very nice. So see, it is so fast. And now instead of 10, I can have it 5 only. Yep, it is very nice. Okay, so since we have these things and everything is good here, now I can do one more thing, like here we have the movement of 5. So instead of this, I'm going to create a variable called move speed, and this is going to help us later. uh, Here I can say let move speed is going to be 0. No, not 0. 5. Okay, yes, it is good. That's done. Now what next? We actually need to drop the ball from here, and I think we can do this tomorrow, because now it's time we have to end this live so that we can celebrate Diwali. Okay, so we can continue this ball fall game maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because tomorrow is a Sunday live. Okay, so we will meet in the next video live, and if you want, you can follow me on Twitter at Sarthak Savvy, so that you will get notified about the new live whenever I do. So till then, I should say bye bye to everyone, and I hope you liked this thing, because I really like this ball fall game. It's really nice, and it was a really challenging game. What do you think? It was good or bad or okay? What kind of, you can say? Okay, from Tanzania people are there. So Sambo. So Sambo, thank you for joining the live. And it's Diwali here, the biggest celebration, biggest festival of India. So I would say happy Diwali to you. It's like a Christmas, if you want to know. It's like for Indians, Christmas is not a big festival, but Diwali is the biggest one. Ashish says, can you make a video like React in 10 hour for MERN stack project, also connecting Mongo, React, everything? Then he has deleted it. Okay, so Dolly Desai is here. So Dolly, thank you for joining, and once again happy Diwali to you also. And we will going to continue this game later tomorrow, and I wish we can create it with some of the cool things. From I need your suggestions, because I need all of you there whenever I restart it, maybe day after tomorrow. So do join me on the follow me on Twitter, so that you will get notified. And finally, I would say bye bye to you. So I'm going to end this live, and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, what is this? Kali Chaudas. What is this? I don't know about Dolly. Anyways, no issues. Till then, bye bye.